everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet the iris stitch. To begin, you want to chain in a multiple of 4 plus 3. So here I have 20, which is a multiple of 4, and I'm going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. And then for this fourth row, we are going to start in the 5th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that 5th chain, we are going to make 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochets into that same chain. Next, we're going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then in the next chain, we are going to do the 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet again. So 1, 2, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochets into the same chain. And we're just going to repeat that pattern. So we are going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and the next we are going to make 2 double crochets, a chain 1, and 2 more double crochets. Again, we are going to repeat that pattern, skip 3 chains, and then in the next 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochets. Skip 1, 2, 3, and the next chain, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and then I will show you how to finish off the row. So you should have only 2 stitches left. Here's 1 and 2. Skip the next one and then just 1 double crochet into the last chain. So there is row 1. For row 2, we are going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work, and this is going to be super easy. We're just going to do the 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet into all of these chain 1 spaces, and they're all real easy to see, and we're going to do that all the way across. So we started with a chain 3, and this row 2 is what we're going to repeat until we get the height of our project. So again, chain 3, and then I'm just going to crochet right into this chain 1 space. I'm going to make 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochets into that same space. I'm going to find my next chain 1 space right here and do the same thing, 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochets. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do that, and then I'll show you how to finish off at the end. Okay, so here we are at the end. I just did my 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets into that chain 1 space. And then here we have 2 stitches at the end plus our turning chain. So we're going to skip these 2 stitches and we're just going to double crochet into the turning chain, just 1 double crochet. And that's it. We just continue to repeat row 2. So in the beginning we chain 3, and then we just do our 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet into each chain 1 space from the previous row. And then when we get to the end, we are making 1 double crochet into that turning chain. If you have trouble finding that turning chain, go ahead and put a stitch marker after you chain 3 in the beginning. Like over here, we chained 3 in the beginning, and you can mark that top chain so you don't have trouble finding it when you get to it. I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.